Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use short division. This method is a fantastic way to tackle division problems, especially when you're dividing a larger number by a single digit. It's often called the bus stop method because of how you set up the problem visually. It helps break down what might seem like a big, scary calculation into several smaller, easier steps, making the whole process much more manageable and less intimidating. Now, let's get started by setting up your division problem correctly. First, you'll draw a division bracket that looks a bit like a half box or a bus stop. Next, take the number you want to divide, which we call the dividend, and place it neatly inside this bracket. Finally, the number you are dividing by, known as the divisor, goes outside the bracket to the left. This clear setup is crucial for smooth calculation. With your problem set up, let's dive into the calculation. Begin by dividing the first digit of your dividend by the divisor. Write the result, or quotient, directly above that first digit. If there's any left over, that's your remainder. Carry it over to the next digit of the dividend, forming a new number. You'll then repeat this exact process for each digit until you've worked through the entire dividend. You're almost there. Once you've divided through all the digits, you might be left with a final remainder. If so, simply write R followed by that number next to your quotient. Alternatively, you can express the remainder as a fraction. To ensure accuracy, always double-check your work by multiplying your final quotient by the original divisor. This should give you the dividend, confirming your answer is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.